Hi Cancer, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to do your mid-October reading and we will see what are the guidance messages for you in the middle of the month, okay? And this is a general reading. It might or might not resonate with all of you. So for those who are new to my channel, a warm welcome to you all, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please consider subscribing and hit the bell notification icon as well so that you will be able to get updated about my latest videos. Alright, and okay, so let's start with my cancers in the middle of the month. So we have got the Three of Wands. It is like, waiting for some kind of fruits, you would say that when you wait for something, you have already worked for that, some kind of a thing, you have worked for it hard and you are waiting for that moment for the fruits to flourish now. Okay, we have Ten of Wands as well. So it is actually looking over here that you have worked a lot in anything, whatever it is. Okay, so let's see what is there for my Cancerians in the mid October. All right, one more shuffle please. Okay, okay, so at the back of the deck we have the Wheel of Fortune with the Four of Swords. So I'm seeing over here, Cancers, that there is some kind of rotation of karma, you would say. That when on your side, I'm seeing that there is like the lessons being learned from your side, but the person with whom you are dealing with is in some kind of rest, is in some kind of a pause, you would say, or this is some kind of a break. Okay, they are thinking like what to do. Somebody is really thinking about you, yes, but to clear some thoughts, that where to go with you, like what kind of a future you both have, that sort of things I'm seeing over here for your person, Cancer. I'm also getting that feeling that you are also in a mode where you want some things, you want things to come towards you, you want that person to come towards you, as well as you want some other things as well. You are blocking the person as well. Okay, your person over here, Cancer, it is like when when you want to start something new, when your lessons has been learned, you are ready to experience in your life, and your person is like they are not ready. So that is a shift over here. You are here and they are here, so that is why the energies are not matching. Okay, so that is why I'm seeing that might be a reason over here on your part. Okay, so over here, Cancers, the Hangman and the Ace of Swords. So over here, you at one point, you are like, you are perceiving things, you are looking things in a different perspective, you are looking all over you, around you, I would say. It's like, okay, so let's take a pause, let's start refresh. Okay, so you are in that zone, but your person, I'm seeing, Cancers, they are in that mode where they want to clear some stuff. A lot of negativity has been around them, so they want to clear the things between you and them. So that is why they are taking this pause, which I'm seeing. You are afraid because of this pause. You are thinking that this pause or this break might not be the ending of your relationship, so that is why there's fear from your side. There is like, oh my god, what have I done? Oh my god, why is this happening? Why is this pause even happening? We don't need that. You are in that place because the emotions are there in your part. Cancer, this is you, Queen of Cups. So the emotions are there in your part. You want the person to come towards you, as well as you are the one who is actually blocking this person. See, you are tired because of, I'm really getting some kind of a past. Okay, you are tired because of some kind of a past. This might be a past, a bad past of your life, but that does not mean that you have to make the things wrong for this person, because this person, there is a lot of addiction. So this person is really attracted towards you, they are addicted towards you, they really do not want to be away from you, they really want, they are dreaming about you, they are like taking a pause just to have you, just to take you back in their life, not because they want to move away from you. No, I'm not seeing that kind of a feeling over here, Cancer. Okay. They are really busy with their work as well, I'm seeing, Cancer. So that is why, if you are really, you are like, you are fearful that they are not giving you time, they are not talking to you, so this is because they are in that zone where they want clarity first. Second, they are a little busy in their work as well, so that is why it is like, they are really not talking to you, there is a pause between both of you. That is why the no contact is here, because they are more into themselves, not because they don't want to be with you, just because they have to clear the stuff around them, what is happening with them. Okay. The outcome with Nine of Wands with the Queen of Pentacles over here, I'm really getting, Cancers, that it is that mode where they are coming towards you. With the Queen of Pentacles, it's like more mature energy. Okay, so when a person is really like, they have taken that pause, they have analyzed everything, they have researched about everything, whatever they wanted to know, whatever the answers they were seeking, okay, they have got everything, then only then they are coming towards you. But before that, you cannot just approach them that, okay, come towards me or do what I'm doing. No, do not force them. Okay, they will come towards you by themselves. That is what I'm seeing over here, Cancer. But you are that tired warrior, I would say, who is tired but still who is not giving up. But that is good from your side, you are not giving up, Cancer, this time. No. The advice for you, Cancer, is Queen of Swords with the Judgment. Okay, so this is a very decision making kind of an advice from the universe for you today, because Cancer, it is like when you take some decisions, you have to take the decisions from your mind. You are the Queen of Cups, though. You are that emotional, that lovey-dovey queen, that loving queen who loves everyone. But who is the Queen of Swords? Queen of Swords, you have to become, okay, you have to become that queen who is like, not always emotional, who can take the decisions by herself. Okay, so that's with the Judgment as well. I'm seeing over here that the judgment, the decision making power is in your hands. So if whatever is happening with this person, you have to be practical as well as, okay, emotional is good, it's fine if you are emotional, but you have to be practical as well. You cannot just stay over there, you cannot just have things, or you cannot just make everyone come towards you because you're emotional. No, you have to be practical, you have to be independent, because Queen of Swords is a very independent queen. She does not want anyone. Okay, there's no one around her, she is alone and she is confident. So that is what the universe is telling you right now. The advice from the universe is that. Okay, Page of Swords. So yes, they are stalking you, they know that you exist, so do not worry that they are like the stalkers, they are the admirers, you would say. People are around you who are not talking to you, but yes, they are ready for the communication, but still they are gaining, they are researching, they are spying on you from anywhere, wherever they can spy on you. That is what is happening. Yes, this is your energy, Cancer, the Chariot. It's like they are moving, they want to come towards you, but it's just that they are taking that pause right now. But yes, they are preparing themselves to come towards you. They're on their way, Cancer, so do not need to worry for that. Yes, I can see that celebration, Cancer. Okay, I can see that celebration between you and your person, and that reconciliation, or that that kind of a misunderstanding which happened with both of you, and now everything is getting sorted. That is what I'm seeing over here. Okay, so misunderstandings are ending. See this Queen of Swords with the King of Swords, we have a beautiful couple over here, that practical couple. So I'm seeing, Cancer, that the way you are, okay, the way the universe is advising you to be the Queen of Swords, that is the same advice, or that is the same way your person is coming towards you right now. Okay, they are also becoming practical. They also know that this is a life, and they cannot just be like, okay, they cannot just come and go like that. They are getting mature, and that is why they are coming towards you. Really, a lot of swords over here might be dealing with an air sign over here, Aquarius, Gemini. So that is really beautiful reading. So we have Cancer, Capricorn, Libran energy. Okay, so we have Aquarius as well over here. And what do we have? We have Pisces. Okay, so yes, and Capricorn again. So we have these signs. Okay, so that is all from my side, my Cancers. I hope it helps, and we will meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.